Hey guys, what's good? So in this video I am going to follow the trend that's going on right now, and that is to follow the tutorial of somebody's makeup. Follow somebody's makeup tutorial. Specifically a beauty guru. Well, for me it would be a beauty guru because they're advanced and I know nothing about makeup. I am the opposite of makeup, so I thought it'd be a lot of fun to do this. I am going to do a makeup tutorial by Aina. This is a trend that is going around YouTube right now and I wanted to hop on. I don't really know the name of the person who started this. I'll have the video linked below. The video that I am going to follow is her glam Christmas makeup tutorial from 2016. But I tried to follow a look that had similar colors to makeup that I already own because I ain't got a lot of makeup, so I was like, I need to choose something, or I think I got it. If I don't got it, we just gonna make some up. Can eyeshadows mix? I don't know. We're just gonna make something up, put something in its place, but we gonna try. If you guys like this video and want to see me recreate somebody else's look, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below the name of somebody that you would like me to do next, and I will. I think she does her eyebrows in this video, so what I'm gonna do is do my eyebrows off camera because it probably takes her like 6 seconds and it's gonna take me like 20 minutes. So I'm gonna go do my eyebrows and pee because I need to go to the bathroom, and then I'll be right back. Oh, first, before I come back, you know I gotta throw in a little jacket. Okay, let me go pee. Oh, I'm scared.
Hi guys, it's your girl Juss.Erin. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me on today's video. I really wanted to do a Christmas makeup tutorial without like a red lip or even like glitter or even like
Let me skip to the tutorial.
So I was just like,
I'm already moisturized. I moisturize every morning when I wake up, and it's the morning time right now.
And I did prime, but I did it off camera.
Oh,
guys,
she already primed.
Hold
on, pause. She already primed. I haven't primed yet. Okay. I'm looking at a mirror down here in case any of y'all is like, where is homegirl looking?
Cover effects are the real deal. I don't
have a translucent powder, like loose powder. I have this Bare Minerals powder like this.
It sucks up all the oil, you know what I mean? The foundation, I'm using my Sheer Glow. Not let the title of this foundation fool you.
Everything's moving so fast. Hold on, I gotta pause you, Jackie.
It's just the perfect
I got this powder. It's not loose, so hold on. See, I knew this mess was about to move real quick. I wasn't ready for it. I'm not even sure she put it all over her whole face, but I'm about to do it. That's why she said she did this. I think she said it's something of that helps her foundation or something like that. I hope it helps because your girl is looking ashy. I don't have the same foundation she has. This foundation, if y'all saw that one video where it was a fail, is too dark for me right now, but I just be really light with it.
Oily like combination matte. It just gives you the best of both worlds. It's not super matte. It's not glowy dewy at all. It's got the perfect amount of coverage. Then because I'm gonna be doing my eyes next,
wait, homegirl, woo! She moving so fast. I can't move as fast as her editing program. Hold on, real quick, Jackie. Let me just finish putting my foundation on. Foundation over the powder ain't that bad.
It's not glowy dewy at all.
Rewind.
It's got the perfect amount of coverage. Then because I'm going to be doing my eyes next, I'm priming and setting the primer with a translucent powder. And
she put a primer on her eyes. I hope the color don't matter. Okay, she put some primer on her eyes and then she set it. I've never done this in my life, but I'm about to do it. I'm gonna keep that pause real quick so I can do what I gotta do. Oh, I grabbed too much. Yo. Oh. I feel like this is about to be a fail. I'm using just some random luminizing primer. Okay. And then she says she set that. I do have setting powder.
Then I filled in my brows, but I kind of skipped through this because this stuff doesn't really change and everyone's brows are different. Anyway, as for the star of the show, the Color Rain Queen of Hearts palette. Really
okay, let's see what we got going on.
Look at the quality of the shadows. First of all, let's start with the crease color.
Okay, color. I think this might be similar.
Absolutely beautiful. So what I'm doing is building up the crease with both of these colors.
Okay, I'm gonna try and use this pure palette that I have.
Mauve pink.
Soiree Diary or something like that. And use this Gala. This color here. Called Gala. I'm gonna use that, I think. I have some brushes. I think I use this one. This is hard. This is hard, guys. Sorry I keep pausing the video, but homegirl is a little bit quick. Oh no, what is happening? This is a fail. I'm gonna use something darker. I'm gonna use Splurge. She said she put it in her crease. This don't look like nothing. I'm just feeling left and right. I don't see a difference. It's just like brown. I guess that's the point. It's supposed to be brown, I guess. I'm gonna just use this color. This is it's purple, but I'm gonna use it with the same brush because I don't care. I think she just puts it in the same place. So this is what we got so far. I look crazy. Okay, so what we got next? Let me rewind this some.
Pink. Then I took Juss.Erin from ColourPop. This is a deep purple.
Okay.
A deep
so we need to go in with purple.
You can
I have purple.
Black, but I think black is a little harsh. I really wanted this to look purple, so I used Juss.Erin.
I don't have a brush like that, Jackie. Okay, so she used a smaller brush. I got this, but it's not the same thing, but I'm gonna use it.
Obviously, as you can see, the palette didn't have a dark purple. But anyway, still a great palette. Worked that into the outer V area. And then when I finished that up, I took this shimmer.
Hold on. Okay. She said outer V area. I don't have an outer V. I'm like jacking this up. How she make an outer V? Oh, Jackie, this is hard. I try to make it. This is just a smudgy, hot, diggity mess. Then she says she blended it out.
And then
this looks hideous.
I took this shimmery purple. I don't know.
With her fingers. I like using fingers.
It's almost kind of like a taupey purple. Really pretty. And the reason why I like to describe the colors is just in case you don't have this palette. It gives you something to work with.
See, she looking out for me.
Anyway, on top of that, I use this even more silver color, which really kind of added some nice pop.
So I'm using the shimmery color she was just talking about. That part's easy because I got to use my fingers. But all of this over here looks a hot mess. Can I like blend that out or something? Cause hers ain't touching her eyebrow. Why is my eyeshadow touching my eyebrow?
And then I took this fuchsia shimmery pink and I swiped that along my bottom lash line. This is probably one of my favorite parts of the look.
This is so
really
hard.
Adds a nice detail.
Okay, then she said she added liner. This is not the same purple. Hers is like purple.
I did add liner to my bottom lash line. Sorry, my waterline, but I did that off camera. In the meantime, I took my Colossal Big Shot mascara from Maybelline and I'm underpainting the lashes. And while the mascara and the lashes dry, I'm going to be concealing with my NYX HD Concealer, bomb.com.
Moving so quick. Okay. Ow! And then, why does my eyeliner look so hideous? What is happening? I promise I'm not that bad at makeup. What the heck? I don't have what she's using. So I'm gonna highlight my face the regular way that I do.
Love this concealer. Sometimes I forget how much I love it because I don't know, I just forget all about it. Then I took my Asia Crimson Contour Kit. This contour kit is brand new, but it's not my first time using it. I just wanted to buy a new one. Now this is, I'm pretty sure, like the darkest contour color that you'll probably find on the market right now. It is dark. So if you're gonna use it, make sure you use a really light hand, but look how beautifully it blends into my skin. I am seriously so obsessed. Yes, that is a thing. Yes, that is a thing, but girl, when I love it, I love it.
Pause, Jackie, hold on. Okay, let's see what else you talk about, Jackie, because I don't look that bad now. Well, I would never go out like this because I don't think this looks presentable on me.
I'm gonna set everything under my eyes with the Cover FX powder. This is something
nice I don't do. I don't set.
A damp beauty blender.
But we're gonna do it today.
Beauty blender. That was my elf sponge. Gotcha.
How you do that?
It's not gonna be for those of you guys who want to look natural. This is for the.
See, I was just saying, like, this isn't something I will wear all the time because it don't. Am I putting too much? She moving real quick. Okay, good. We putting on some bottom lash whatever mascara. I was thinking like she not gonna put no bottom mascara on.
Go back and do layers and layers of cake. Okay, so when Auntie Brenda come up to you with her evaporated foundation after an hour and she was talking smack about your cake face, you can be like, you should have said it with translucent powder. Real quick though, let's get into this dark chocolatey setting powder that Cover FX launched. This is probably one of my favorite.
I'm so behind. Jackie, I can't keep up with you, girl. I don't know what's going on. Set the rest of her face. Did she wipe the other stuff off? I didn't even see. Do have a powder foundation I can use to set. That's brown, so I'm gonna use that.
But again, just to kind of, you know, resculpt.
And she uses it. So this is taking the place of the Iman. So I grab what's most similar to that.
On you because it's duochrome, so it looks powder white, and it looks like it's not going to flatter my skin tone, but it's actually.
I don't even know if y'all can see that.
Gold. So I felt it would be.
It's subtle. It's subtle.
And then,
I like subtle.
My holy grail, my Basha mattifying setting spray, going in.
She's about to move on to lips. I'm gonna go put my lashes on really quick. And then we'll do lips. Okay.
You can't actually skip lip liner for this look because I feel like the Green Bakery lipstick that I'm using later is good enough on its own, but I don't know.
I don't own a purple lip liner. Oh, lashes are on. I don't own a purple lip liner, so I have two purple lipsticks. I'm gonna just use them because they're both purple.
But it's from Beauty Bakery. Probably one of my favorite dark, deep matte purples. This is such a pretty color when it's not on my teeth though. That pretty much don't mind my lashes, they aren't on perfectly. I couldn't find.
My sister just gave me some lash glue last week.
And then of course my
I couldn't find them.
Inner corner
find it.
And look how pretty
so they hanging on by I don't know what. I'm gonna put this on top of it.
Thanks guys for hanging out on today's video, and if you don't celebrate Christmas, whatever you do celebrate or not celebrate, I hope that you have a lovely holiday, a lovely week. Thank you guys so much for making 2016 one of the best years for me.
And then we done.
I hope that this year is beautiful.
What is happening? I told you my lashes were barely on. I'm sorry if this annoys y'all, but we are done. The lashes are like jacking it up. Do I look like Miss Jackie? Eyeshadow, I don't know what this is. It's all blended. It looks like I just circled my eye with some shadow. It's not treacherous. It's just stretch. But hey, this was a lot of fun. This is the end of this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you didn't, keep your thumbs to yourself. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Jackie, 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 Jackie.